like, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. And like, usually, but when you talk like that, you like.
Mona, he said when I'm talking to daddy, I talk like him.
You talk in Igbo and then you talk like.
So when I'm talking to daddy, that's how.
Yeah, you kind of like.
No.
Baby,
No.
is that how I talk to you?
No. Mana, because
You know she said I talk in Igbo.
no,
I think because she doesn't understand the
yeah,
language that much.
because we normally use Igbo language. Okay.
And when I'm making video, I don't have to speak Igbo now because not everybody will understand what I'm saying.
No, I'm not saying by not allowed to. So the thing is, because usually when you're talking a thing, your voice is lower. I mean, in Igbo when you talk it.
Okay, it's lower in
Okay.
Igbo. And when I'm making video, it's higher.
Goes lower when you're doing it because I mean Igbo is kind of like it's like a language, but it's kind of like some things put together, and you talk it fast because you know it. So if you want to talk it fast, I think your voice will be down. I think.
But Mana Chinso, do we try to teach you how to? I mean, do we try to teach you Igbo?
And you do. Like last time you did. But
No,
if
we
you
always
But you
teach
understand it, but it's hard to speak.
Yeah, we always teach you Igbo, right?
Yeah. Mama Chineke God. I mean Jesus.
Mana Chinso.
Which Igbo language do we say often in this house? Which
Remember,
which Igbo language word do we use? Which
Hafumaka.
Maka means what?
And leave me
What does it
alone.
mean in English?
Leave me alone.
Oh, leave me- oh.
Who do I say it to?
Usually me. Chemical.
Okay.
Because want me to leave me alone because he's asking you many questions.
Yeah, thank you for saying that. Mona just can ask you 100 questions in 1 minute. So most of the time I'm just saying half marker, like leave me alone, it's too much, leave me, let me rest. Okay, which other Igbo language do I speak? Igbo word do I use a lot, or which other one do I use a lot?
Baby.
Baby me just baby.
Baby
It's my
is
husband.
English.
Yeah, that's my husband. I just call him.
So
That's your daddy.
I call mommy baby and mommy calls
It's
me
baby, and we say baby. I know the M there sounds is what makes it Igbo. That's M means my own. It means
Baby means
my, just like when you say my baby.
My baby.
Yes, my baby.
Baby means my baby.
So
my
it's
love.
yeah, it's English and Igbo together. That's why we say baby means my baby.
In Igbo, you say mam.
That's my child.
That's my child.
When you hear baby means baby. Means mine, like my child. I don't know how to explain that. Okay, which other one do we use often in this house?
Indo. Indo, yeah.
Yes. What does it mean?
Sorry.
Yes, we use sorry a lot. And when do I use ndo a lot? When do I say it?
When you're sad, or when you're hurt.
Yeah, and who do I say ndo all the time?
I think.
Mommy can say no to
Yeah.
anybody.
Chikamso or Chemika.
Chikamso, Chemeka, maybe Chikamso is crying and I'm saying ndo. Like sorry. Yeah, that's when the ndo come. And the UN, I also say ndo to you a lot.
How do you say it, Mona?
Indo.
What did you say?
Indo.
Indo.
Okay, which other one do we use often?
Like Mona, if you want to send you a message or to go and do something for us, we always use Igbo, right?
Yeah.
And you understand?
What did I say?
You said it, Mona, get me water.
Exactly.
What did you say?
No, that's the only thing I said.
Want to get me water? Okay.
That's the only thing I said.
1 minute.
I think I know. I think I've recognized that.
To drink water.
To drink water, yeah. Go and get me water, let me drink.
Yeah, she didn't just get to the end of it, but she tried. And when he said Garieni,
Go and eat.
exactly. So Munachiso understands Igbo to an extent, but not speaking it is the problem. Most of the time when we are communicating in this house, she understands everything we are saying. Most of the thing, like 90% or 80% of the thing we are saying in Igbo, she understands. But when you ask her to speak it, it's a little bit difficult because.
So you know other ones. Tell us.
So I know Chineke.
You said that one before. There are other ones that you normally say here. There's one.
Half Maka.
You said that one.
Inamuri.
What?
Inamuri.
What's
I
that?
know what she's saying, but I'm not going to say. I think it's drink. What do you say? What is it? 1 minute. Say it in English.
Is it going weird or something?
Okay, your memory.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on with. You know, when you say it to her, she will understand what you're saying. But you see, that's what I'm saying. Speaking is the problem. So
She
most
understands.
of you are always in the comment section asking why Chemeka is not speaking that much. You know, why his language is not, why he doesn't talk much or he's not speaking as much as he should. But it's because most of the time, Chemeka have not started school yet. Most of the time, we are here speaking Igbo, and he doesn't, you know, it's very difficult to understand the language and speak the English because we don't actually speak English. I only speak English.
Oh, I know what you mean because you speak Igbo, and I don't think Igbo is harder than English, and Chemeka is not. He's Igbo, but he has to learn for basic English language.
Yes, then
Yes.
learn the
For-
Igbo. So Munachiso had the same issue before she started school. Before she started school, they had to send us to therapy, listening. They asked if she was hearing okay.
Maybe it's like trying to understand two languages
Yes.
at the same time.
Yes,
You can imagine.
Munachiso, when she started nursery at the age of 3 years plus, they sent us to listening and hearing test, and even said she would need to go for therapy. But you know, as
What's
parents,
therapy?
no, Munachiso, wait, I will come to that. Let me
Yeah.
not forget what I'm saying. You know, as parents, we understand that the problem is, you know, we speaking Igbo all the time in the house, and there is no means of in fact, we only communicate with them in English. But when it's me and my husband having any form of conversation and even sending them on errand,
We use Igbo.
we use
We
Igbo.
use Igbo language.
So how do you then expect the child to speak the English the way you want them to speak it? It's because we don't communicate in that language in this house. And
I
once
think-
Munachimso,
Yeah, I think with
Oh,
time
I got
they
idea.
understand.
So
Yeah.
you can
You know,
speak
with time they
more
understand.
English, and when they're a child like me, you can speak Igbo again.
yes. So Munachimso got better immediately she started school because she started interacting with other kids and no longer in the house 247 with our Igbo language. So the same thing is going to happen with Chemeka as well. You guys can hear
No,
some.
it's happening.
It's happening,
It's
yeah,
happening.
because
It's not
Chemeka
happening.
is not talking that much. He talks so,
Chemeka is going to start school very soon.
and he's starting school September.
So everything is going to change.
So watch out September. By the time he starts school and starts interacting with other children speaking English most often, you're going to see that he's going to talk more. Do you understand? So we are not even bothered why Chemeka is not talking much because we know he talks, but not as much as he should be at his age. But we know the problem because we don't communicate in this house in English language. So who is teaching him the language that you want him to be fluent in? Nobody. So we only
Oh,
speak
me.
English.
Because I always speak English.
You speak English, but you're in school Monday to Friday.
Oh yeah.
Immediately you come back. Sometimes
Even
you even stay in school till 4 o'clock, and you come back past 4. Sometimes,
Yeah, I remember you were like Chemeka.
yeah. And
Okay.
from Monday to Friday you are in school, and Saturday, Sundays sometimes you are busy with your assignments and all that. You play with Chemeka, but it's not enough. It's not that enough. He's not having that one-on-one interaction with you all the time, nor me or daddy, nor anybody.
Yeah, Mona's English proficiency improved as soon as she started nursing school.
Exactly. So
So the same thing is going to happen to Chemeka.
once Chemeka starts school,
Yeah, Chemeka is starting school in September.
yes,
So there's going to be massive improvement,
yes.
definitely, in September.
So you guys,
Esther,
watch out in September. From September, you will see that Chemeka will start school and his speech will improve a lot better. I think we've gone from the from what we are asking Munachiso to another topic because
Exactly.
I just use this opportunity to tell you people why Chemeka's English is not as fluent as, or is not as, he's not speaking that much because
But maybe he understands everything.
he understands everything.
If
He
you ask
speaks
him,
it.
If you ask him to do, if you ask him to do something now, or if you tell him to go and do something, he knows.
Yeah.
If you ask him to go and get something for you or something like that, he will just go and do that. Water or anything, even
Whatever.
Yes, even if
To
you
get
use,
his own clothes in his room.
yes,
Anything.
even if you use English language or Igbo language. So
Yes.
so at this point in time, he understands
Both Igbo and English.
and Igbo language.
That is why his speech
Yeah.
is delayed in English.
Yeah.
So I won't take explain this thing to you people again. But it's not an explanation, it's just